Very good morning, students. Last class I was completed introduction on permutations and combinations. So permutations introduction is first I was given factorial problems, factorial definition given, on factorial some simple calculations also we did. Next one, fundamental principle of counting. Fundamental principle of counting means counting process you can take in two methods. One is fundamental principle of addition, fundamental principle of multiplication. In those two, fundamental principle of multiplication or rule of product. This is very important. It is linked with permutations and combinations. It is linked with permutations and combinations. It is obviously equal to permutation only. Rule of product, it is obviously equal to permutation only. It is indirect definition of permutation. Okay, na? So some problems you can solve with the help of rule of product. So any typical problems you can solve using permutations with the help of permutation. So what are the difficult methods? Okay, na? What are the difficult methods? You should follow permutations. So any typical problems of rule of product you can use permutations. So first of all we can solve some problems on fundamental principle of multiplication or rule of product. You start the problems. You start the problems. You start the problems. You start the problems. Seven point one. Start that exercise 7.1. In your material, page number. Page number 183. In your material, page number 183. You first note down first question. How many three digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 assuming that first question, that one, a repetition of the digits is allowed. Second question, repetition of the digits is not allowed. Right? So listen this question. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have these numbers. So given numbers solution one by one you read. Given numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are given. Given numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these numbers, using these numbers, then what we have to create? So how many 3-digit numbers? 3-digit numbers means you take one box. In that box you prepare it 3 gaps. In that box you prepare it 3 gaps. So 3-digit number means what? 2, 3, 4. It is a 3-digit number. 2, 3, 4. 234. 234. So 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there. Using these, among these numbers, I created one number 234. Right? So that is a 3-digit number. So like 3-digit numbers, how many you have to create? Using these 5 digits they are asking. So how many numbers? Okay na? So in the 3-digit number places. So this place is called unit place. Unit place. So this place is called 10th place. So this place is called 100th place. Otherwise you have to take first place, second place, third place. First place, third place, second place and third place also you can take. That is your choice. So I will start from left to right. Sorry, right to left. From right to left I will adjust the numbers. Right, you see. First place can be filled in how many ways? This place, in how many ways you are going to take? So in first place you can take 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Means in that among these 5 numbers you can fill any one number for this place. I will take, this is the first place, second place, third place. First place, second place and third place. You keep like this. Don't be confused. Okay na? So first place can be filled in how many ways? 5 ways. Okay na? After filling first place, second place can be filled in how many ways? Second place can be filled in how many ways? Already first place ಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ನು? ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 4. So second place can be filled in 4 ways. After filling the second place, you can take the third place. Can be filled in. Okay na? ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ನು? 3. So 3 ways. Okay, understand? So by rule of product, the number of number of 3-digit numbers equal to by rule of product. Rule of product andre enu? One is depending on another. So you see here, first place I filled one element. Okay na? After filling of first place, you are taking second place. Means after filling of first place, second place can be filled by 4 numbers. Any one of. How many possibilities? 4 possibilities. After filling first place and second place, for third place, how many numbers are remaining? So 3 numbers are remaining. Means 3 ways are there for filling that one. That's why the third place can be filled in 3 ways. So one is depending on another. First place filled, next second place filled, next third place filled. One by one. So we required only 3-digit number. So 3-digit number, by rule of product, the number of 3-digit numbers equal to. So by rule of product means you have to multiply all the ways. You have to multiply all the ways. First one is what? First one is what? 5. Second one is what? 4 ways. 5 into 4 into. Next one is what? 3. 5 into 4 into 3. How much that value? 20. 4, 5 into 4, 20. 20 into 3, 60. So you can create 63-digit numbers using these 5 digits. Using these 5 digits. And also remember one more point. So this is repetition of the digits is allowed. This is the second question solution. This is the second question solution. So the number of 3 digits, if repetition of the digits is not allowed. Repetition of the digits is not allowed. Andre repetition of the digits is not allowed andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂಬರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂಬರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. Second one solution is what? Repetition of the digits is not allowed. Is not allowed. This is second question. Then I will write first question. Note down. So here simply you can keep repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. Repetition andre use ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂಬರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. First one solution. In that first one solution also you can fill 3 digits. You can fill 3 digits. First place, second place, third place. So first place, second place, third place. So they said repetition of the digits is allowed. So you can write it directly very easily. So by rule of product, the number of 3-digit numbers of repetition is allowed. Repetition is allowed equal to. So for first place we are going to fill how many ways? For first place you are going to fill how many ways? 5 ways. 5 ways. So 1 ತಗೋಬಹುದು, 2 ತಗೋಬಹುದು, 3 ತಗೋಬಹುದು, 4 ತಗೋಬಹುದು, 5 ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 5 ways ಅದಾವ. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೇನು ಕೂಡ 5 places. 5 ವೇಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಲೌಡ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂಬರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಇಂಟು 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಗ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 5 ವೇಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಜಾಗ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 5 ವೇಸ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಜಾಗ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 5 ವೇಸ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲೌಡ್, ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂಬರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದು? 125 ವೇಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು? 125 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೋಡೋಣ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. Next, second bit. Second question. How many 3-digit even numbers can be formed? 3-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the digits can be repeated. If the digits can be repeated means what is the meaning? Repetition is allowed. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂಬರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಡೇಟಾ, ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಗಿವೆನ್ digits, given numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you want to create how many digits number? 3-digit number. You create one box. 1, 2, 3. So this is first place, this is second place, this is third place. Okay na? Right. So they said very clearly, repetition is allowed. Okay, right? Now see, first place can be filled by how many ways? First place can be filled by how many ways? So first place you can use any one number. Any one number means how many ways? 6 ways. After filling the first place, then what we have to do? The second place can be filled by how many ways? Okay na? First place ne use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ 6 ways. After filling second place, the third place can be filled by that is also 6 ways. So by rule of product, the number of three-digit even numbers ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ it is equal to ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಾವು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ even number, then only it is a even number. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಇವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇನು 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್. 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂದ್ರೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಾಗೆ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಾಗೆ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 4 6 2 4 6. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಾಗೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು? 2 ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್? 3. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ಬೈ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ವೇಸ್? 3 ways. It is 3 ways. It is filled by 3 ways. Why we have changed 6 by 3? 6 means you can take any number. 3 means only even number, only odd number, only even number, only odd number ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we can replace 6 by 3. So now by rule of product, the number of 3 digit even numbers means you multiply 3 into 6 into 6. How much that value? 6 into 6 36, 36 into 3 108. 108. 108. Same like that odd also. Odd means how many there? 1 3 4. Odd number ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 3 ನೇ. Same. 3 digit even numbers. That's why I changed here. Only numbers means 6 into 6 into 6. 6 into 6 into 6. Only numbers means. Note down fast. Understand, students? Note down fast. That is second question. In this question, repetition is allowed. Means numbers are repeated. Repetition is allowed. Numbers are repeated also. Same meaning. Note down fast. Next, third question. Very simple question. Listen carefully. Okay na? What is the difference between first question and second question? You have to listen carefully. That's it. How many 4-digit code can be formed using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet? First 10 letters of the English alphabet. If no letter can be repeated, means repetition is not allowed. Means letters are not repeated. First 10 letters of the alphabet. Okay na? We can use first 10 letters of the alphabet. So question number 3, you see. Given letters, first you write given letters are. You can take a small or capital, that is your choice. So capital A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 came up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. So total 10 letters we are using, right? In that, among these 10 letters, we can create the word with four letters. With four letters means in a box you take four columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first place, second place, third place, fourth place. You start from left to right or right to left, both are correct only. So nothing will happen. So this data is given. 4-letter code we have to write. Is it clear? So now, so in this problem, so no letter is repeated. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಲೆಟರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಲೆಟರ್ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ನಾಗೆ ಲೆಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ABAD ಅಂದರೆ this is one word I consider. ABAD is one word means A is repeated. So ಆ ಥರ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಅಂದರೆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು? ABCD. Any letter is repeated in that one. All are only repeated only one time. We took only one time. So you have to take like this. Repeat ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. So see for first place can be filled. First place can be filled in how many ways? First place we are going to fill. First chance is what? First chance means we have 10 letters. We have in 10 ways. After filling the first place, second place can be filled by 9 ways. The third place can be filled by 8 ways, and the fourth place can be filled by 7 ways. Here a repetition is not allowed. So by rule of product, the number of 4-digit 4 code letters are it is equal to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. So then you multiply and tell me the answer. So what is the answer? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. So multiplied, what is the answer? 5040 is your answer. 5040 is your answer. Listen carefully, you don't feel confusion. Questions are very simple. Okay na? These are starting questions only. Direct formulas also is there. You don't feel confusion. Okay na? Direct formulas also is there. Okay na? Maybe almost students feel easy for this concept. Right? Note down fast. Next you see question number 4. Question number 4. So that data I am giving for understanding purpose. Okay na? For understanding purpose and each and every point I am giving. Okay na? In the solution you have to do by the principle of mathematics, by the principle of product rule, you have to start from there. Okay na? Prati one point bariyabekante enilla. Okay na? You can write very simple. So by the principle of product rule, so the number of 3 digits, the number of 4 digit code, you can write that step only. That's it. Okay na? Prati one point artha age salvagi ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Understanding purpose. Okay students, right. Next, fourth question you see. Fourth question you see. How many 5-digit telephone numbers? 5 digits ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ನಾಗೆ 5 digits. ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ನಾಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ? 10 digits ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅವರ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ and any person mobile number having 10 digits. So they are asking only 5 digits telephone number can be constructed using the digits. So 0 to 9. So fourth question solution. Given digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These digits, how many digits are there? Total 10 digits are there. But we want to create only 5 digits. You want to create only 5. So you take one box, in that you take 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is first place, second place, third place, and fourth place, and fifth place. Okay na? So total we are going to fill 5 places. So only half question only completed. So see, each number starts with 67. Each number starts with 67. 6 to 7 you have to take first. 6 to 7. Each number starts with 67. And no digit appears more than once. No digit appears more than once means what? So digits are not repeated. So andre repetition is not allowed. So step by step you see. So more than once repeat means that is also repetition is not allowed. Alright. So here already for every number 6, 7 is compulsory. Starts with 6 and 7. So remaining how many gaps are there? 3 gaps. In that, among these 3 gaps, we are going to fill how many numbers? We are using how many numbers? So 6, 7 use ಮಾಡಿದೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು? ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎన్ని ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು? 8 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ can be filled by remaining how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 ways. After filling the first place, the second place can be filled by. So what is remaining? One is already remaining. 7 ways. And the third place can be filled by. How many ways? 6 ways. So 6 and 7 every time is repeating. So we can skip fourth place and fifth place. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡೋದೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇನು ಬೇಕು, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡೋಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಏನು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಾಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನಾಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೋದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಾಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೋದು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೋದು, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಬೈ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, rule of product, by rule of product, the number of 5 digit telephone numbers, number of 5 digit telephone numbers, it is equal to how many? 8, 7, 6. Then multiply and tell me. 8, 7, 6. How much that value? 8, 7, 6. Multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೋ? You simplify that one. 336. 336. That is our solution. 336. Note down fast. Note down. Next question. A coin is tossed 3 times. The outcomes are recorded. How many possible outcomes are there? How many possible outcomes are there? It is very simple question. The number of possible outcomes when the coin tossed 3 times. When the coin tossed 3 times. It is general question only. Okay na? One coin you take, you toss it that one. So head or tail barabodu. Andre two possibilities. Okay na? Two possibilities are there. So you take any coin, we have two possibilities. So that is all. Second person they take. Okay na? This one also, second person also tossed. There also second person also two possibilities. Next, how many times? 3 times, and the 3 persons you take, and the 3 coins you have to give. So first person we have 2 possibilities, second person we have 2 possibilities, third person we have 2 possibilities. That is one process. Okay na? So one person only you take coin. For first time you toss it, head or tail barbodu. So second time you toss it, head or tail. Third time is tossed, head or tail. So whatever the process, finally we are getting this one. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this is what, how many possibilities? 8 outcomes are there. So about this one we will discuss in very deep in probabilities chapter. So don't be confused. So next last question is sixth one. So sixth question you have to do homework. Sixth question is very simple. You have to do homework. Sixth question you have to do homework. So first one is completed based on rule of product. In that one, no questions given. Rule of addition. Rule of addition means fundamental principle of addition means questions in ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Next concept is permutations. You note down the definition. Permutations. Permutation. So you note down the definition. A permutation is an permutation is an arrangement in a definite order of a number of objects taken some are all at a time. So what is the definition of permutation? A permutation is an arrangement in a definite order of a number of objects taken some or all at a time. So this definition examples are above questions. These examples are above. This definition examples are above. Suppose you take one example for this one. So the number of 3-digit words with or without meaning which can be formed out of the letters of the word number, where the repetition of the letters is not allowed. We need not to count the numbers. 3 letters. So see this one example. Just you read this one example. I will give in next class. Okay na? Just you read the definition. So this one example I will give in next class. Okay, right? Okay, thank you all. This example I will give in next class.